Hello everyone and welcome into today's video where we are checking out Solana. We will check out two updates from June and July, all that has been happening with this blockchain. And as always, towards the end we will also check out the price charts to give you a better idea from the technical standpoint as well. So this is gonna be a very high-packed video. So as always, an early like is very much appreciated on the video. And let's go. So starting off with this June 2021 update, there was this very significant news that Solana Labs completed a 314 million funding round led by Andreessen Horowitz, which was in itself a whole article here on Solana, so I will link this in the video description. But basically everyone is very hyped up about this partnership, and Solana specifically will now be able to launch an incubation studio to accelerate the development of decentralized applications, so dApps for short, and other platforms building on Solana. So this financial injection for Solana should be very positive. Then on top of this, in June they have this Solana season hackathon with over 13,000 builders, 350 projects and 39 winners, with projects all from DeFi, NFTs and Web3 applications and beyond. They are also expanding on the education front, so there is this new Figment Learn, which is an education platform for builders interested in Web3 development. So for them there is this new data hub, and also there was this first ever Squid Prize recipient announcement, which is an award for outstanding individual contribution, and it's going to be ongoing for the foreseeable future as well. Quite interesting addition from the financial side is this Digital Assets AG, which has launched free floating tokenized stocks on Solana. So buyers and sellers will be now able to buy, sell and withdraw 55 different free floating stocks, including but not limited to, for example, Facebook, Google, Netflix, Square, Tesla, etc. So you will be able to trade those tokens representing those largest stocks we've just mentioned. Also, a mainstream consumer app, Maps.me, will launch this USDC embedded finance app built on Solana, and this support was developed by Circle and Coinbase to create or enable this seamless utility of using a credit card to purchase USDC within this Maps.me wallet. So that's another potential 60 million plus users who will be able to experience the benefits of DeFi on Solana. Also, the co-founder and CEO of Solana has been on air with Jim Cramer, which you can check the full interview out here. And also there was this RAN VM integration for Solana for interoperability, and this is actually very interesting because this direct bridge from native chains to Solana allows deposits and withdrawals to and from Solana with minimal fees. So now Bitcoin, CEC, BCH and Doge are now supported. And then something more from kind of artistic side or collectibles, we have this crypto kickers now live on Metaplex. So now you are able to create, customize and mint your one-off NFT sneakers. So just visit crypto kickers here and you can design your own. Also, Solana ecosystem projects are hiring right here on this link. So for anyone who is well-established programmer or just knows things or two about decentralized finance, I would definitely keep an eye on these jobs openings, which could be very interesting. And then we have also this list of ecosystem news, and that's it. Then for this July update we have much more news. So for example, stake pools are now coming to Solana. So this will be a liquid staking solution which will help decentralize the network, and it will do this by systematically spreading these staked SOL tokens across a large number of validated delegators. Also, by staking your deposits, you can also generate a token for delegators, which represents the SOL deposited and also the rewards earned from staking. And these new tokens can be used in Solana-based DeFi apps such as Radium Protocol or Serum. Another in the news is this Neon Labs, which is now live on the Solana testnet, and this is a fully Ethereum compatible environment, so another compatibility improvement for Solana. Solana ecosystem page is now sourcing from a GitHub repo, and one of very interesting things that happen is the Solana powered Lollapalooza NFT marketplace, which is a very interesting way to enable artists and fans to connect directly using this marketplace. So I believe you will be hearing more of those kind of partnerships in the future. The co-founder and CEO of Solana has been interviewed by Ivan on Tech as well, which you can check out here. And Phantom Wallet is now live for the public. So this is a similar wallet solution as, for example, the MetaMask. And on top of that, you can also use the staking feature where you will help to secure the network, and at the same time you will earn rewards for this staking. And down here we have also Aave considering integration with Solana. And if you don't know, Aave is one of the largest decentralized lending platforms with now over 21.5 billion in total value locked, so quite a substantial platform. I've also made a video about Aave, which you can check out in the top right hand corner to give you a better idea about Aave. And their CEO said that the team was considering launching on Solana via the EVM compatible solution Neon Labs. And then we have again some ecosystem news with more detailed info, and both of these articles are linked in the video description, so you can check them out yourself at your own pace. And now finally let's jump into the price charts as promised. So here we are starting things off with the Solana in relation to the US dollar, where we can see that the price is looking very interesting at the moment because it is almost at a similar levels as it was just before these big sell-offs in crypto. So Solana is looking very strong. It has pretty much just gone sideways with a little bit of a downtrend, but this downtrend is now broken and the price is starting to head higher. We can also see that it is now in between those uptrending trend lines over here with this lower support and the upper resistance. These are pretty well defined, going all the way back to middle of last year 2020. So for now it's looking pretty good for Solana, and in my opinion, after this 4 months or so long consolidation, it is looking like a interesting place to start a position if you are looking to start a position in Solana, especially after we broke this downtrend over here. Also, I think it's important to add that there is this quite strong support on these 23 levels or so, where we have had a couple of tags, so about 4 of them at the moment. So from this point of view, it looks quite promising. But also it is quite important to check the Solana to Bitcoin ratio. So this is the price in relation to Bitcoin instead of the US dollar, where we can see quite a similar development as with the US dollar. There was some sideways consolidation since the huge crypto sell-offs. So Solana is standing very strong also in comparison to the major crypto asset, which is Bitcoin. We can see that there is this support over here, which has had a couple of tags already, and it has held the price very strong so far. And there is also this downtrending resistance, which now it looks like it has been surpassed. So at the moment it looks quite promising. We just have to wait for some kind of a backtest of this resistance over here to tell us if this is a false breakout and the price will drop back down, or that it is a start of a new uptrend heading for higher highs and higher lows. So far it looks like there is this support development over here, but I think it's still quite early call this any kind of a support, so we will just have to wait a couple of days for some new developments. But checking also the Bitcoin itself, for example, to get a better idea, we can see that after this huge sell-off we had a sideways consolidation, and now recently you had a textbook breakout with a backtest and now heading towards higher highs. So it seems that the Bitcoin has escaped this sideways consolidation, and we could see some kind of a resumption of the previous bull run which we've had towards the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021. And this is it from what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one and get some value out of this video. If so, I would really appreciate if you smash the like button, and also you can subscribe to the channel because I will be posting more crypto content in the future. So with this, I thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!